Alrighty. So first, we're gonna start with your name and the name of your business.
Yeah, my name Powell. My name actually the company name Max Fit Wellness. So we sell on Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and Walmart. Um, yep.
All right. And then, what did you think of the event tonight?
Oh, it's pretty awesome event. It's a lot of content. It's a lot of information, especially for the business purpose. If you're owner, if you're in e-commerce, you have to go and get information from this event, especially from the manual for the AMG company. They're pretty awesome. We're working guys pretty long together. Incredible results as an agency. So I've been pretty many different agencies before. So AGM definitely no-brainer in terms of the communications, in terms of the results, and I hope we're gonna be continue working together. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Thank you guys.
And what did you think about the speakers?
Oh, the speakers are incredible too. So we're pretty good friends, and now we get more closer, get information from each other, and yeah.
All right. Would you recommend more people come to the events?
Oh, definitely, guys. Again, if you're on the e-commerce, on the business owners, and you have small business, definitely you can stop by in the Tampa area because we're from Orlando. We're driving 2 hours to get for this event almost every 2 weeks. So I think it's no-brainer because if you're driving 2 hours in a car, it definitely is worth it. Yep.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yep. I hope that's